My name is Virginia Javier. I am a senior majoring in rangeland management, and I was born and raised in San Diego, California. I grew up visiting Cabrillo National Monument in San Diego, and in summer 2022, I became a volunteer in their invasive plant removal program called Weed Warriors. During one of the sessions, I met the Natural and Cultural Resources Program Manager. She said that I should apply for one of their Scientists of Parks positions for next summer, where I'd work on their fog monitoring program. I had never heard of the Scientists of Parks program before, and I didn't really know what fog monitoring meant, but I thought, why not? This sounds really cool, so I applied, and in March 2023, on my birthday, I found out that I had gotten the position. I was so excited to go back and work for this amazing park. But wait, what is Cabrillo National Monument's fog monitoring program? I'll give you the rundown. In summer 2022, 4 fog monitoring stations were deployed by 2 Scientists of Parks interns. They were placed throughout the park to test 2 questions. Do fog microclimates differ along an elevational gradient, and do fog microclimates differ between the sides of the Point Loma Peninsula facing the Pacific Ocean and the San Diego Bay? 3 of the stations are used to compare fog on an elevational gradient, and 2 stations were also deployed at similar elevations but opposite sides of the peninsula to test our second question. On each station, there are 3 leaf wetness sensors that assess trace amounts of water in millivolts left by fog. Data had been collecting for almost a year but had not been analyzed yet. That's where I come in. For 12 weeks, I collected data and performed maintenance on the fog stations, analyzed a lot of data using R, conducted a leaf wetness sensor experiment to help convert the millivolt readings into milliliters of water, and wrote an annual report summarizing these findings. I would also continue to pull weeds at least once a week just for fun. The results showed that at Cabrillo National Monument, the higher the elevation, the less amount of fog present, and the ocean side of the Point Loma Peninsula experiences more fog than the bay side of the peninsula. Using vegetation monitoring data from the park, I also found that each fog station and microclimate is surrounded by different plant communities. This novel fog monitoring program provides data to help the park make vegetation management decisions involving water availability and stay informed on how fog is changing over time. The cherry on top of this entire experience was being able to present my findings at the Ecological Society of America's annual meeting in Portland, Oregon. I was able to meet other SIP interns, explore a city that I had never been to before, go to my first professional conference, and also learn about the current and future research being done in the ecology field. My internship not only allowed me to be a part of a one-of-a-kind long-term fog monitoring program, but also experience things that I never thought I would before. I was able to meet so many amazing people from throughout the world, explore San Diego and Portland, and experience the behind-the-scenes action of the park. Words cannot describe how amazing this opportunity was. I want to thank everyone involved for making this internship possible. I'm so grateful that I was able to work in a place that I have such a strong personal connection to. Thank you.